Hello friends, you're probably sick of seeing my face looking like this, but girl, still got the Rona. I tested today. Today's day 5. Tell me why the lines are so strong. Like, excuse me, ma'am. I'm supposed to be done with this. Miss Rona, you need to go. You need to go and let me live my life now. I guess you're not ready. For dinner, I had a yummy soup made by Sharon. Thank you, Sharon, for dropping it off. I really appreciate it. I had Amy's sourdough. Thank you, Amy. I had Sharon's pickles. Thank you, Sharon. What else I have? I don't even remember. Oh, and Justin, oh my God, he made me a cookie. This one. Macadamia nut chocolate chip cookie. I only ate one. I actually have an appetite today, so things are looking up because I wasn't eating much for a while there, but now I am. But tomorrow's my mom's passing away anniversary. And I was crashing out yesterday. I was crying my eyes out. Like, I just, I was telling my friend Amy, I was like, it's just a lot. It's just like everything all at once, And so I was crashing out to Justin, like, because we got Charlie's ashes. And of course that's heartbreaking. And so that one, Charlie's ashes, us no longer having our sweet, beautiful angel Charlie with us. His presence was felt in this house, you know what I mean? Like, he was in charge of this household. If you didn't know that, he was our boss. And then Charlie passing is heartbreaking, and then getting the Rona. And I say Rona because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say it, because, like, YouTube has like these filters and things, you're not allowed to say this or that. Rona was one of it, the real word, CO, We couldn't say that back in the day, so I don't know if we can or can't right now. But just to be safe. And then I have the Rona. I couldn't go to my cousin's wedding. I was feeling major FOMO. I was watching all the videos and the pictures and the stories. My brother posted a picture of him and my sister, and they looked so cute. And that's when I started to cry because I missed them. Yeah. And then and then my mom passing away. That's number 4. Her passing away anniversary. There was just so much more going on. That saying, when it rains, it pours. My friend shared that, and in my head, I'm like, it's more like when it rains, it hails, because I swear there's damage to it. Like, like it's hailing up in here. And people are always talking about, like, oh, April, your life is so happy, joy. Do you know my life? I lost my chonwise this year too. You guys don't understand. My chonwise too. Yeah, so long story short, I guess it's just the way I talk, or the way I just go about my life, that you guys think everything's all right, but it's not. I crashed the frack out. I was crying hard, couldn't stop last night. Like, I feel dehydrated still from yesterday's crash out. Have y'all ever had a crash out like that, where you just was crying so much you could, like, you feel like you're still, like, dry from it, like all the tears? My gosh. Yeah, anyways, I feel a little better. Like, I got an appetite. Yeah, there's nothing more to say. I miss my mom, and I think I crash out every time it's close to her passing away. But I would like to ask God why. Sometimes don't you want to ask God why, like, why things happened? That's what I would ask him. Why? Is that too deep of a question right now for you guys? Are you guys just waking up in the morning? Oh, hey girl, don't even act like you're surprised. Don't even act like I'm out here bedridden, because it is day 6. I'm off Dayquil. I took a test. It's faint. Justin won't let me leave this room still, but tomorrow I'm out. I'm for outside. I'm gonna be outdoors because it's so faint. I'm telling you, I'm so excited. The moment I felt better is the moment I felt better, and then I was like, okay, where are my cleaning supplies at? I'm ready. I've been disinfecting everything. I'm ready for my man to be back up in this bed room. I didn't say just bed, room. Well, my friends, look at where I'm out. I'm outside. Well, I'm outside of the room because I knew it. I was feeling good. You see that? Hold on now. Let's get up close. Sorry, the lighting is weird here. I don't got it no more. I am COVID free. So what did I do when I had the Rona? Well, I decided to design the house a little bit. No, I decided to buy some more furniture for the house. I'll show you the entryway that we have. And we have like this painting that we bought from an artist at the Edina Art Fair. Or was it? No, it was a different fair. A different art fair, but I don't remember the name of it. Yeah, that's all we have. But we need like a table under there, you know, like to put stuff in and then to decorate. And I thought this would be a beautiful base to put on that table. And now that I see it, I think it might be big, but you know what? I love flowers, so we're gonna end up needing this vase. But look how beautiful this vase is. Like, I love it. And then, oh. And I also got me a new little kitty. His name is Oliver. You say hi. You want to say hi, my little puppy? He's my little baby. His name is Oliver. He's 5 months old. Girl, we got a lot to talk about. We do. We do. I'll tell you more about it. So this is the area. I got a little table on Amazon. It hasn't arrived. It's gonna go under there. And I was thinking like a vase and just other decorative stuff. And I was thinking of a cute little baby cat named Oliver. Hi, Papas. He's so little. Hi, baby. He's so handsome. You're so gorgeous. You are. He's only 5 months old. He's so cute. Hi, baby. My little Popo, he meows a lot. He's a baby. He's like, where's my brothers? He is connected. Oh, let me put my little Wrigley cat down. He's connected with Jacob and Liam the most. I'm just getting to know him because I just, you know, I was quarantined. So he's looking at me like, who is you? I've seen him from above up there. We're here on our walk.
Hello.
Do you want to share how we adopted Oliver?
Oh.
Tell them of
my
straight
dream.
Yeah, start with the dream.
So the day after Charlie passed away, I had this super vivid dream where we were still living in SoCal, and we had a balcony that we were always worried that the cats would get out. And so I walked into the room in my dream, and the balcony door was open. And I was like, oh no, the cats. And I walked over there. Charlie was out there on the balcony, and I was like, come here, Charlie. But, you know, his soul was already gone, so he wouldn't come in. And then instead, a kitten comes in, and I pick it up, and it felt so real. And I looked at the cat, and Oliver's the cat from my dream. Later, I was like looking at the website, because I woke up and I was like, oh my God, I had this crazy dream. I told her, and I could see the cat perfectly in my dream. And then like later on, I was just like looking at the cat adoption thing, and I was like, that's the cat. I swear. And then we went and visited him, and it was just like so many things about the whole thing, you know, was crazy. Like the foster, her name was the same name as the woman who used to care for our cats in California.
That was weird.
There's all this like synchronicity and stuff.
Yeah.
Like it was. So did you mention about the Amazon listing?
Oh yeah, and then yeah, I was on Amazon trying to look for a collar, you know, like a custom collar. Well, no, the name tag. Looking for a name tag just to put Oliver and then the back our phone number. Tell me why when I looked for name tags, there was one that said Charlie and Oliver, and I was like, wait.
You got to show the picture, like.
I will show you guys the picture right here, but it was so weird. It just feels like it's meant to be. Yeah. Sometimes I think like, dude, is this too fast? Like, but then at the same time, like, I feel like it was meant to be. Like, you can't fight what's meant to be. And we were thinking of looking. Well, I started looking at adoptions, cat adoptions, because I was like, I want to adopt a cat for the kids for Christmas, but I want them to like be part of it. But then here we are, Justin shows me a photo of Oliver and I just start to cry. Like, that's when I know something's meant to be, when I see something and I feel something and I like start crying. And I was like, because I looked at so many other pictures of cats and I didn't feel nothing. But when I saw Oliver, I just knew it.
The thing is if you look at him,
yeah,
I swear, looks like a hybrid of Charlie and Sunrise.
Yeah.
Like his face structure, his body, like, it's crazy.
His eyes look like Charlie. The grayness reminds me of Charlie. But like there's swirls of orange on him. But I always tell Oliver, I'm like, Oliver, you're your own self. You might have things that remind me of my angel kitties, but you are you, uniquely you. And I always tell him that. You know, I'm just getting to know him because, you know, I've had the Rona, so I would see him from like above. But yeah, Justin met Oliver, and then he was like, I can't really say if we want to adopt him or not because you haven't met him. I was like, yeah, get him. Get him.
I actually video
immediately.
I video called her from the visitation.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, so it was just all meant to be. We just have so much love to give to fur babies. I want more. I don't want just Oliver. I want a little more. I want a lot more kitties. Like, I guess I'm used to a big kitty crew. It got hot. Anyways, I forgot to share. So Oliver's originally from Alabama. He was rescued from a hoarder's house in Alabama with 50 cats. I don't know how they flew all 50 cats here, but Oliver made it here to Minnesota somehow and ended up with a foster mama who had 9 cats. And then Oliver's siblings were adopted first, and then the foster parent has 7 cats. And then I guess the 2 left was Oliver and a sister of his. Yeah, Justin was saying he was getting bopped in the head by one of the older cats.
One of the older cats was a little grumpy, so he would bop. He kept bopping him.
Like, excuse me, not my baby. Anyways, he's saved from the bopper.
The thing that I think is interesting is that I don't think Oliver has ever lived in a home where he had a ton of human touch, because think about it, like he's in a home with 50 other cats. Who knows how much attention all those cats got, and then in the foster situation where there's 9 cats, so it's like I think it's going to take him a minute to kind of adjust to being kind of the only cat. Or I'm with Mr. Bob, it's kind of like he's the only cat because Mr. Bob
sleeps all day.
He sleeps all day.
On fire. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, at least Mr. Bob is a little indifferent. He just really don't be caring about. He's not like a fighter. He's just like whatever. Yeah, so they're doing fine together. I got my malted mocha cooler. Guess what the weather's gonna be like later? 80?
84.
84. That's beautiful. Hi, Oliver. We're back from our walk. Do you want to go on a walk with me sometime? I get you a little leash or a little stroller. What you think, little buddy? Huh, Bubba? You little cute little meows. We got back from our walk a while ago. I changed into my house clothes, and for the past few hours I've just been cleaning because I don't know, it's not to my cleaning standards the way the house was looking, so I was all like, let me get to it. I do gotta say, after getting the Rona, I'm kind of sweaty. Like, I do get sweaty when I clean, but I got sweaty like 10 minutes into it. And I haven't stopped sweating, and I was like, oh my goodness. This is Bona. It's a wood floor cleaner. It's like the cleaner, but then the one that I like to use after is like this shellac looking thing that makes your floors look so shiny. But I'm not gonna do that today. So I just made dinner. We didn't have groceries really, so I like found a bunch of eggplants from Sharon, and so I made totang talong and some rice and some fish for the boys. Girl, don't think that it's any kind of fish. It's Gordon's fisherman. I was a Chef Boyardee today. No, but we got groceries just now, and I put it away. You know what was really sweet to me? Justin was chatting with one of his friends on the phone, catching up. Omar. Do you guys remember Omar? He was our realtor in the Bay Area, one of our bestest friends. Daddy to Isaac and Noah. Anyways, Justin told Omar that we adopted a new kitty, and he's like, dang, that cat won the lottery in life or something like that. And that touched my heart when Justin told me that, because we're really good to our animals. We really are good to our fur babies. We are with them from the beginning till the end. We don't give up on them. We don't surrender them. We don't leave them. Like, you know, when we moved, we brought them, all 3 of them, on the plane. Like, and I cannot fathom people who would surrender or like give up on their pet like so easily, you know. Anyways, I love fur babies. Okay, bye friends. Oliver is so cute. Anyways, thank you friends for watching the vlog. His face is so funny. He just randomly will lie down anywhere. Like, he don't care about no couch or no bed. He's just like, I'm gonna be on the floor. But you know what? That's really sweet. Because I'm like over here editing. So we're getting used to each other. I'm already in love. But he's, you know, he's getting used to me. But I'm in love with you, little buddy. Anyways, bye friends. You want to say bye, Oliver? You want to say bye-bye?